What's going on YouTube? It's your boy E-Money coming back to you with another review. I'm out and about in the element. As you can see, I got these bags, got a couple of cups, couple of purse pair, a couple of things for the homies here, things of that nature. Left Foot Locker, didn't know the PG 2.5 will come out, put in a raffle for those PG 2.5 PlayStation joints. If you haven't had a chance to check those out, go check them out. Tomorrow also, remember, it's the Bring the Pain podcast at 8 p.m. Make sure you come chop it up with us. Go follow the homies, Monolithic Kicks, your boy Alias, Pain82. Let them know, give them support and all of that good stuff. And thank you for rocking with me. No intro, no outro, just straight into the video. This is not a personal pal, like I said. The Adidas 350 Boost, size 12 and a half. Official colorway, got the Sesame, and all of that good stuff. You got your slide out box. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Check it out. Boy, this shoe is a big shoe. Look like one big hovercraft here. But that's alright. This one is sitting compared to the zebras, because you know everybody's on them zebra thing, probably waiting for those semi-frozen. Like I said, always my opinion. I call it like that is. For me, as far as comfort, I got to rate it up there with one of the best shoes far as comfort. On the back, as always, you got your gum bottom, you got your boost, there, got your like your styrofoam type material. Coming up here, you got to check out the stitching. Make sure the stitching is on point with that Sesame. Kind of got that gray. Nothing spectacular about the laces. Coming on the side, you got this, I guess, semi-clear look. And then on the back, you got always this gum bottom piece on here. You got this stitching here like a pull tab. Also the pull tab here. This is what differentiates the V2 from most of the other shoes. Always on the Yeezy too, you got all this information here, the sizes, UK and stuff like that. On the medium side, nothing spectacular, but I mean, if you look real close, a very well crafted shoe in my opinion. Then you look inside, like all Adidas, you got that Adidas, Yeezy, and all of that good stuff. So you let me know what you think. On a lit meter, I give this shoe about a 4.25 out of 5. 4.25 out of 5. You let me know. Leave a comment suggestion below. You think this foo-foo? You think it's dope? No look past. Some you may get later, but I don't think these gonna go on sale. I think Adidas is gonna pull back what all they don't sell from what I told. So again, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Check out the Bring the Pain podcast tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to get to 1,300 by the end of the year. Help your boy E-Money out. As always, have a great weekend. God bless, and I'm out. Peace.